Hi Bumblebees! So today Elephant and Piggy have a special treat for us. Today is called 10 Frame Tuesday. Can you say that? 10 Frame Tuesday. So what is a 10 frame? What is a 10 frame? A 10 frame helps us represent numbers 1 to 10. So today we have a little game that we're going to play. And you could play this at home, but I wanted to play it with you too. So let's try a few rounds together. So the first thing we need is our little bag, or you could use a box, a bucket, a cup, anything you want. So 10 Frame Tuesday, and inside here are all different numbers. So you have a sheet at home that you could cut up with all numbers. So you could practice your cutting skills, and you're gonna put all of them in here, and it's gonna be like a mystery bag. So you're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, and you're gonna pick out numbers from there. So there's a sheet that you could print out. So if you'd like, you could print it out, and if you have a laminator at home, you could laminate it and use an Expo marker. Or if you don't have a laminator, you could put it inside a Ziploc bag and use an Expo marker on that. And if you don't have a printer or you don't want to print it, you could use it on an iPad, just like this. Take that, and if you have an Apple Pen, you could use that, or you could just use your finger to fill in the boxes. So I'll show you a little bit how to do that later, but first, let's play our round together. So I drew it over here. So this is Elephant and Piggy, 10 frames. So here's Elephant, here's Piggy. What do you think we're gonna write in here? The number. So whatever number you pick out of your mystery bag, you're gonna write in here, or you could place on there. I'm going to write it with my Expo marker. So let's see, let's dive in. Shake it, shake it, shake it. And I need your help. What number did I pick? What number is that? 6. Can you show me 6 fingers? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me see 6 fingers. Nice job. So I'm going to write the number 6 right here. Or if you want, you could take this and you could place it right in your box. And now we have to represent the number 6. So I'm going to use these little circles that I cut out to represent my numbers. So can you help me count to 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. So we have 6. Should we count one more time to make sure I filled it in right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Show me 6 fingers again. Wiggle your 6 fingers. Nice job. Should we try it again? All right, let's do it again. So I'm going to erase my 6, and we're going to pick a new number. And I'm gonna keep the 6 out of the pile so we don't pick it again. So we have to clear off our 10 frame. Take all these little guys off. And if you erased yours, you can do that. And if you wanted, instead of drawing in your objects, you could use something else, such as coins, you could use Legos, little cubes, buttons, anything you want to fill in your 10 frame. You could be as creative as you want at home. All right, so now let's take our bag again. Let's shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, what number did I get? This is the number 3. Can you show me 3 fingers? Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. So now let's fill in our 10 frame. So I'm gonna write the number 3 up here. And I'm gonna take 3 of my little circles to fill in my 10 frame. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3. Nice job. That was a quick one, right? Let's do another one. So I'm going to erase my 3. All right, and I'm going to keep the 3 out so I don't get the 3 again. Shake up our bag. Shake, shake, shake. What number is this? What number? This is the number 7. Can you show me 7 fingers? Let's count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers. Hold up your 7 fingers and wiggle your 7 fingers. Nice job. So let's fill in our 10 frame. So I'm going to write the number 7, and I'm going to fill in 7 boxes. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice counting. Now, Elephant and Piggy have a tricky question for you. They want to know, how many more do we need to get till 10? How many more? So let's count how many more we need by counting the boxes that are empty. Can you help me count them? Let's see how many more we need. 1, 2, 3. We need 3 more. Can you show me 3 fingers? We need 3 more. So let's put those in. 1, 2, 3. What happened to our 10 frame? Take a look. What do you notice? It's full. So that must mean that 7 plus 3 more equals what? When all the boxes are filled, how many do we have? This is called a what frame? 10 frame. Nice job. Can you show me 10 fingers? 10 fingers. Wiggle your 10 fingers. Nice job. So that is your challenge for today. So today is called 10 Frame Tuesday. So you get to play a little fun game at home, and maybe you could do it with your family members. So if you don't have a printer, like I showed you earlier, you could use an iPad, and all you have to do is screenshot the picture and hit edit, and then you could fill in your 10 frames. So you pick out the number, or you could just shout a number. So let's say I say 3. You could practice writing the number 3, just like that, and then you could fill in your 10 frame. 1, 2, 3. So that's another way that you could practice the 10 frame game, just like that. And then the other way I showed you was by printing it and laminating it. Or you don't even have to laminate it. You could just say a number, or you could put a post-it here, write it on the post-it, the number 3, and then you could use coins to put on here, buttons, beads, anything you want to practice. So remember, when we fill in a 10 frame, we start from left to right, just like that. So we start from here and go that way. And then we jump all the way down here and go that way again. All right, and I also have a little surprise. I have a link that you could click on that will give you a 10 frame that you could fill in on your computer. So it's kind of like a little game. All right, so if you want to do that, click on the link below. If not, you could try all these ways, or you could just listen along and play with me. All right, Bumblebees, I can't wait to see if you try this out at home. Good luck.